Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel MEC. It means M English Classes. Guys, in today's video we are going to learn one of the best point which will help you to improve your fluency. Guys, lots of persons ask me questions that how much time does it take to improve your fluency? Yes guys, you know speak English but you don't know how to improve fluency in English. How can you improve your label? How can you groom your personality? How can you improve and how can you become a fluent speaker of English language? And how much time does it take to improve to become a fluent speaker of English language? Guys, whatever you do any work in this world, suppose that if you are doing any work, if you are learning computer, if you are learning anything, and apart from that you are learning English language, and if you want to really become a fluent speaker of English language, first of all you should try to do that work. Suppose that you are learning English, so you should try to speak continuously. But how can you speak and how much time does it take to become a fluent speaker? Guys, it's totally depend upon you. If you practice of speaking English continuously, anytime, anywhere and every places, definitely within 2 and 3 months you can improve your fluency of English language. Yes guys, only you have to it will take only 2 or 3 months to improve your fluency of English language. So I hope you will practice every day, everywhere and anytime. If you will follow this technique, if you will follow this method, if you will follow this tricks, definitely first of all you should try to make the small topics and you should try to speak about that topic. And you first of all you have to practice alone. You have to sit around and you have to practice. You have to take a small topic and to practice more and more about only one topic. In this way, if you practice continuously, definitely you can improve your English language, and only 2 or 3 months we can improve your fluency. Guys, it's enough for today. You will meet in next video. Till then, take care, best of luck, wish you all the best. Okay, bye to all of you.